Hello dear students of standard 10 and once again welcome back to all of you to my English YouTube channel. The three questions we have started an interesting lesson, a lesson which is written by Leo Tolstoy. Indeed, according to the lesson, there was a king and he had three questions, isn't it? He tried to find out the answer of three questions, but it was impossible for him. For that purpose, he had given the proper proclamation, he had announced, and he appealed people to come in his court and to answer his question. Somewhere he promised one who will try to answer the three questions or one who give correctly answers of these three questions, he will be rewarded and he will be honored. But as many scholars they came in front of him in his court, isn't it? Nobody could give the proper answer, and the king once again he remained unsatisfied. Now what to do, isn't it? What to not again a question in front of the king. Therefore, he decided, let us go out from the palace and let us search the answer of these three questions by himself. Isn't it? For that purpose, he was ready and now he was ready to come out of his palace. In today's video, we are going to see a couple of passages from page number 53. Let us start. He decided instead to go to a hermit who was widely renowned for his wisdom. The hermit lived in a small hut in a forest which he never left. Now somewhere he heard about hermit, a religious person, a religious scholar, isn't it? He used to live away from the palace in a small hut near or somewhere in the forest, isn't it? And therefore, let me go and let me try to find out the answer. कोणीतरी सांगते की यस आपल्या राजवाड्याच्या बाहेर थोडंसं जंगलाच्या बाजूला एक छोटीशी झोपडी आहे. त्या झोपडीमध्ये एक रिलिजियस पर्सन, एक थोडासा धार्मिक वृत्तीचा माणूस त्या ठिकाणी राहतो. हुशार देखील आहे आणि त्या माणसाकडे मात्र आपली उत्तरं आपल्याला मिळतील, कदाचित मिळतील या अनुषंगाने राजा आता आपला राजवाडा सोडण्याच्या तयारीत असतो. He spoke only to common folk, so the king put on simple clothes and approaching the hermit's cell, dismounted his horse and left his bodyguard behind. And therefore he heard about hermit. Hermit he used to talk only with common people. Therefore he changed his attire. Like the king, he changed his complete personality, he changed his clothes, and being as a common person, common man, he went there and he stood in front of the hut. Okay, before come in front of hermit, he left his soldiers or bodyguard behind and he get down from the horse. When the king arrived, hermit was digging the ground in front of his hut. बरोबर जसा राजा हर्मिटच्या समोर जाऊन उभा राहतो त्यावेळेस हर्मिट मात्र त्याचं काम करत असतो. ही वॉज डिगिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिज हट. त्याच्या झोपडीसमोर तो थोडेसे खड्डे खाण्याचा प्रयत्न किंवा आपण छोटे छोटे खड्डे खाणून काहीतरी लावण्याचा प्रयत्न, शेतीसारखा एक छोटासा उद्योग तो करत असतो. मग जसा राजा जातो, एक नवीन व्यक्ती आपल्यासमोर उभा आहे असं ज्यावेळेस हर्मिटला जाणवतो, इमिजिएटली हर्मिट greeting or good afternoon or good morning, something like it was greeted by hermit to the king. And as he greeted, once again he started his work without any delay or without wasting much time. Okay, he greeted the king but went on digging. The hermit was frail and weak. Now about the personality of hermit. Hermit was not strong man. Okay, he was a weak person, he was a slim person, and each time he struck the ground with the spade and turned over a little earth. Isn't it? Means every time he dig the earth and every time he turned his face, he turned his direction. Isn't it? Means sometimes he dig from front side, again he turned his face and again he did the same one. Yes, it was continuously going on by using his spade. Yes, he breathed heavily. The king went up to him and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer three questions. Now immediately the purpose of the king, it was opened by him. राजा जसा जातोय पटकन कुठल्या कामासाठी आपण आलेलो आहोत ही गोष्ट हर्मिटला सांगतोय आणि हर्मिटला सांगताना पुन्हा एकदा हेच तीन क्वेश्चन तो विचारतो की माझ्या मनामध्ये हे तीन क्वेश्चन आहेत, या क्वेश्चनचा आन्सर मला हवे आहेत. जोपर्यंत तुम्हाला मिळत नाही तोपर्यंत मी मात्र समाधानी राहू शकत नाही, मला आनंद मिळू शकत नाही. अँड देअरफॉर येस आय हॅव कम टू यू wise hermit to ask you to answer 3 questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ॲज इट इज, कुठलं काम कुठल्या वेळेत मी सुरू केलं पाहिजे. यस इट वॉज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हू आर द राईट पीपल आय मोस्ट नीड, कुठल्या लोकांची खरोखर मला गरज आहे. यस याचं देखील मला एक उत्तर हवं आहे. अँड वन मोर, यस therefore I pay most attention. Whom should I therefore pay most attention, and what affairs are the most important and need my first attention? Indeed, and which is known as the most important task or the work that I have to do at very first. Please answer the 3 questions and let me go. Yes, that was the attention or that was the intention of the king. The hermit listened to the king but said nothing. He just spat on his hand and resumed digging. Now hermit carefully he listened the question. Indeed, as the king he asked the question, they were carefully listened by hermit. But once again he spat on his hand and resumed digging. Indeed, he spat on his hand and once again continuously he started his work, and that is the digging of the earth. The king watched in silence for a while. Then, feeling sorry for hermit, he said, "You are tired. Let me take the spade and work a while for you." When the king realized now hermit he is not interested in me, he is neglecting me, he is not answering my question. That time the king he felt somehow. He felt somehow about the hermit, and what he thought that let me take the spade or just give you a spade, let me help you in your work. तुमच्या कामामध्ये मला तुम्हाला मदत करू द्या, तुम्ही फार थकलेले दिसताय. यू आर लुकिंग लाईक अ टायर्ड पर्सन. देअरफॉर स्टॉप, टेक अ रेस्ट फॉर अ व्हाईल, लेट मी टेक अ स्पेड अँड लेट मी कंटिन्यू युअर वर्क. यस, you are tired, let me take the spade and work a while for you. The hermit silently handed over the spade and sat down on the ground. When he had dug 2 beds, the king stopped and repeated his question. Now the work of the king, isn't it? This time king he took the spade, he started to dig the earth. Continuously the work was going on. Yes, means he was working, but the 3 questions they were playing somewhere in his mind, isn't it? And the question they were time to time the question they were asking him for the right answer. When the 2 beds they were made by the king, isn't it? 2 separate beds, 2 separate small plots, yes, of the vegetables. When they were made ready by the king, again he asked the same question, the 3 questions, and this time again hermit he said nothing, he remained silent. Hermit again gave no answer but rose, stretched out his hand for the spade and said, "Now rest a while and let me work a bit." But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. सेकंड टाइम ज्यावेळेस विचारलं जाते त्यावेळेस देखील हर्मिट हे उत्तर सांगण्यासाठी तयार नसतात. सेकंड टाइम ज्यावेळेस राजा विचारतोय त्यावेळेस हर्मिट जागेवर उठतो, त्याचे हात पुढे करतो आणि ते स्पेड किंवा ते काय असेल फावडर ते माझ्या हातात दे आणि मला आता काम करू दे. परंतु राजा मात्र त्यांच्या हातामध्ये न देता स्वतः ते काम कंटिन्यू करतात आणि स्वतः ती जमीन खणण्याचा प्रयत्न करतात किंवा खणत असतात. 1 hour passed and another. The sun began to sink behind the trees, and the king at last stuck the spade into the ground and said, "Okay, finally, the whole day, throughout the day, the work it is done by the king." It was the time of evening. The sun had already gone somewhere in the west direction. The sun somewhere, he hid somewhere behind the trees. And again, the tired king, finally, he couldn't control his feeling. He kept the spade down on the ground, and again what he said, "I came to you, wise one, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me none, please say, and I will go home." कुठल्या कामासाठी मी आलोय आणि मी काय करतोय, बरोबर? म्हणजे कुठल्या कामासाठी 3 क्वेश्चनचे आन्सर मागण्यासाठी मी तुमच्याकडे आले, परंतु त्याचे आन्सर मला अद्याप मिळाले नाही. जर तुम्ही उत्तर देऊ शकत असाल तर मला सांगा, नाहीतर लेट मी गो, बिकॉज इट इज ऑलमोस्ट इव्हनिंग टाइम और इट इज द ऑलमोस्ट इव्हनिंग पीरियड. वन्स अगेन I will go home. Here comes someone running, said hermit. Let us see who it is. Read. And when the three questions they were asked, the communication was going on. Immediately, the third character he was running towards them, and the third character he was a beard man, the unknown and the stranger character, isn't it? Unknown person for the king as well as unknown person to the hermit. तिसरा एक व्यक्ती त्या ठिकाणी धावत पळत येण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो त्यांच्या दिशेने. मग हा व्यक्ती कोण आहे? Yes, let us see who is the man and what he need. The king turned round and saw a bearded man coming running out of the forest. The man held his hand pressed against his stomach. बरोबर. मग कोणीतरी पाठीमागून पळत येत आहे असं ज्यावेळेस सांगितलं जाते त्यावेळेस राजा देखील पाठीमागे बघतोय. बरोबर. त्यावेळेस मात्र जंगलात कोणीतरी येस प्रेसिंग हिज स्टमक अ मॅन ही वॉज रनिंग. स्वतःच्या पोटाला दाबत किंवा हात ठेवत एक व्यक्ती धावत पळत येण्याचा प्रयत्न करतोय. मग हा व्यक्ती कोण? इजंट इट? येस, दॅट वॉज अ न्यू थिंग, अ न्यू स्टोरी इन फ्रंट ऑफ द किंग. Yes, pressed against his stomach, and blood was flowing from under them. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground, moaning feebly. As he came near the king, isn't it? Actually, his hands were yes in front of his stomach, and the blood it was coming out yes from or behind that hand. As he came near the king, immediately he fall down, isn't it? And he was mourning very deeply. म्हणजे त्याला थोडासा त्रास देखील होत होता आणि त्या त्रासातनं यस तो थोडासा विवळत देखील होता. The king and the hermit unfastened the man's clothing. There was a large wound in his stomach, isn't it? Unfastened, unfastened, fastened, opposite unfastened. कपडा किंवा तो शर्ट असेल काय असेल तो काढला जातो आणि ती जखम ज्यावेळेस बघितली जाते तर त्या जखमेतनं बरंचसं रक्त हे बाहेर निघत असते. The king washed it as well as he could and bandaged it with his handkerchief and a towel the hermit had. Now king had only a handkerchief. At first the wound it was washed by the king with the help of water. Later the handkerchief it was wasted or it was kept there to control the flow of blood. Later hermit had a towel and by using the handkerchief as well as towel they tried to bandage the wound of the stranger man, one who was the bearded man. But the blood would not stop flowing. And the king again and again removed the bandage, soaked with warm blood, and washed and rebandaged the wound. When at last the blood stopped flowing, the man revived and asked for something to drink. The king brought some fresh water and gave it to him. आता ही एक नवीन स्टोरी बरोबर. ज्या कामासाठी राजा होतोय ते काम तर होत नाही बरोबर. 3 प्रश्नांची उत्तरं तर मिळत नाही परंतु ते कम्युनिकेशन चालू असताना संध्याकाळच्या वेळेस मात्र जंगलातनं एक व्यक्ती बाहेर येतो जो धावत पळत असतो. त्याचे हात त्याच्या पोटाच्या भोवती असतात. ब्लड थांबवण्याचा तो प्रयत्न करतो म्हणजे तो जखमी असतो. थोडक्यात ज्यावेळेस येऊन पडतो त्यावेळेस तो बिघडत असतो. मग त्याच्या जखमीवरती पटकन बँडेज करणं त्याला मलमपट्टी करणं हे सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं काम राजाला वाटते. आणि मग हर्मिट देखील आतमधून टॉवेल आणतोय. राजा देखील त्याचा असणारा रुमाल हँकरचीफ लावून ते ब्लड स्टॉप करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतात परंतु ते ब्लड थांबण्याचं नाव घेत नाही. मग बरेचसे एफर्ट्स घेतल्यानंतर कुठेतरी ते ब्लड त्या टॉवेलच्या आणि त्या हँकरचीफच्या आधारे थांबवलं जातं किंवा त्याला स्टॉप केलं जाते. आणि नंतर संपूर्ण घटना घडल्यानंतर मात्र ती स्ट्रेंजर व्यक्ती तो अनोळखी व्यक्ती मग पिण्यासाठी पाणी मागतोय. प्लीज गिव्ह मी वॉटर टू ड्रिंक. इमिजिएटली किंग ही बॉट फ्रेश वॉटर अँड ही फुलफिल द थर्स्ट ऑफ द स्ट्रेंजर. हू इज द स्ट्रेंजर मॅन? Isn't it? For what purpose he came and he had yes disturbed the communication of hermit and the king. Isn't it? Interesting lesson, but curiosity, yes, curiosity it is there, and therefore today up to here we are going to stop and we are going to continue our lesson. Yes, who was the stranger? For what purpose he came? And by keeping him in front of the king, how hermit answered all the 3 questions of the king. Tomorrow we are going to continue in our next video. Yes, till then have a nice day and thank you.